Hey guys, this is xxgamer, and today we're playing some more Minecraft. Today we're playing some Flood Escape 2 in Roblox. I know you guys wanted me to play more
Close the door!
Today I'm joined by Panda Gaming. Get in here.
Yeah, how are you doing?
I know you wanted me to make some more Roblox videos, so I will. Okay, let's spectate. I'm spectating.
Okay, wait.
Oh, he's gonna die. This guy's gonna die.
Who's it? What's the name?
I'm Lone Boy.
Tommy?
Lone Boy.
Oh, Lauren Boy, okay.
He's gonna
Oh my god, he's dead.
He needs, please be acid. Come on, acid. Where's the acid? Oh, he's surviving. Wow.
He needs some air.
Ha!
Shut up before I stab you.
Yeah.
But yo, why is there mines?
Hmm?
Why is there those mines? Dude, like... Oh, are they air tanks actually?
I think so.
Turn off that music, please.
No.
No.
Why?
Our life in his house.
Still.
Get out the house.
Turn on
Oh, we're
Pokemon
in. We're going out. We're going.
Everybody's dead.
Go. Go.
Turn on Pokemon
Where do
Go.
we go?
Just follow. Where are you? Yeah, just get to the entrance. Where are you?
Yeah, I'm right here.
Okay, just get ready. Get ready.
Pokemon Go.
Just don't.
Turn off that music.
At least I have a air bar.
Yeah,
Turn that
okay.
off
Go.
or turn on Pokemon Go.
Oh god, I almost fell in
Oh,
the
shit.
water.
We're gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh my god.
Turn on that
No!
music.
You died?
Ooh,
Did you
no,
die?
No. I'm dead. If I. Ooh.
It looks
You died?
like
Oh, go.
Guys, it looks
Go.
like Sanaka.
No, I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm still alive.
Guys,
I'm
look
still
at
alive.
this.
No, I'm dead.
You died?
I'm dead.
Oh no.
Guys, it looks like Sanaka.
Huh?
Looks like Sanaka.
Oh shit. I'm still alive. Oh shit.
I died.
Shit. No.
That's so...
I'm still alive. Spectate me.
Okay, sure. Let me get in the... Let me get in the thing. You're gonna eat.
Oh,
my god,
no,
you're
I'm gonna die. I
You're
just
gonna
died. I just died.
I see your body parts. I see your
It's
body
sad.
parts.
Oh well.
It's like all your body parts.
I'm in.
are,
I'm in.
like,
I'm in.
down. Okay, bratty girl's still alive. And she has a demon on her back.
Baddie princess, yo. Oh, that's such a weird name.
I know.
Oh, parkour. She's doing parkour.
I know how to do parkour, but
Oh, look at the red water.
I do better on
It's
the
blood, right?
No, that's
lava.
instant kill.
Instant karma.
Oh, we're in. Everybody, let's
Yeah,
go.
that's basically lava, idiot.
Go.
Yeah, I'm lagging.
Careful. Frankie, don't. Bye, Frankie. Oh, shit.
Okay.
Oh, shit. I'm gonna die soon. Run. Oh, yeah, run.
Oh, I always say that if I'm doing hobbies.
Please turn off
Right.
that music.
No. It's,
Right.
Look at me go on Pokemon
it's
Go.
faded for life.
No, I fell. Oh, no, I'm
I
gonna
won't turn on
die.
Pokemon Go.
Goodbye,
Okay.
Frankie. I died.
I will
No.
turn-
Oh my
I will
god.
turn on
Frankie,
Pokemon
I
Go.
died.
Specking me.
I'm gonna spectate you.
Spec you.
Wait, let me just play here. Okay, let me spectate you, Master Frankie. Oh, Frankie, you're gonna die. You're instantly dead. I'm watching Meowth. Oh my god, what is he doing? Look,
No.
He's still alive?
Happy place.
You're
Yeah.
dead. Look, happy place.
Happy place.
Oh, we're back in. I'm back in. You spectate
I'm
me.
dead.
Spectate me.
Wait, let me get.
Spectating me?
Well, maybe turn on Pokemon Go.
Oh, come on. Why, guys?
You have an air tank. That's good.
I
How do
know.
you get the air tank?
I bought it with money.
Okay.
You guys do it. You're my new slave,
Thanks,
everybody.
thanks.
Everybody's my new
I only
slave.
have 2 flying money. I'm so poor. I'm so poor.
Oh, okay, we're going.
So
Run. You spectating me? Oh,
Yeah, I'm spectating you.
Wait, okay, let's move.
I'm specking
Move. Let's move. I suck at this parkour.
Jump.
Wait. Look. Let's run.
What if I control
Run,
you and like
run,
I look back?
Run.
And you
Okay, I'm
just
safe.
run that way?
You survived. I survived.
And I'm gonna die on the next round again.
You're gonna join soon. We're waiting for you. Come on, let's go.
Hello?
She's
Hello,
not
sir?
coming.
Hello? Hello, sir?
Ponytail. Okay, you're gonna join. You're gonna join us. Wait,
Hello,
no.
sir?
I think you're joining us. Yes, you're joining us. Yes, Frankie! Let's go! Oh
Be
my god.
back. Oh my god.
Where are we supposed to go? That's
Down this way, right?
I don't know. No, don't go that part. We don't know where actually. I don't actually know where to go.
Go this way. No, never mind.
Oh, acid's coming. Acid's coming.
Eh.
Acid's coming.
Climb up.
Where? Oh, climb up. Go.
Climb up.
I can't climb up. I don't know how to climb.
Oh no, this is bad.
Oh no, I fell down. Oh shit. Move.
Ah!
Move.
Oh!
Frankie, wait for me.
Okay, hurry up.
I can't. I walk so slow.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god.
Let's go. What the heck? I can't do this.
Acid's coming already.
I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm still alive.
Run, hurry.
I'm trying to.
Why am I spinning around
I'm
for
still
no
alive.
reason?
I'm survived. You survived. I survived. No. Yes, Frankie, we survived. Oh my god.
No,
What is this?
Not lava. Lava's hard, you know.
Quickly. What is this? What is this? No, don't. Please, just don't.
No, I'm laggy.
Please, just don't. Just don't.
No!
Frankie, you still there?
I'm dead.
Spectate me. I'm still alive.
Lava tower. Oh my god, it's so hard though.
Yeah, I never even been to this level yet.
Hey, it's guess with just looking like
Dang it.
No, I died.
Dude,
I died.
this guess looks like the Builder's Man.
I died.
This guess looks like Builder's Man.
Hi, where are you? I'm right here. Oh yeah, he does.
Hello, sir.
Get in here. We were so close to winning.
God dang.
Get in here quickly. Spectate this noob. Oh, he's dead.
I knew not to spectate.
Oh, quickly run, swim,
Oh, never mind.
swim, run. Just run the shore before the flood starts. Run. Just run.
No, please not. Nah. You're gay.
Where are you? Oh shit! Ah! Yeah, I'm gonna die. I'm going to die. What the fuck? What?
I'm still alive.
Oh, Frankie's still alive.
Stop.
What the fuck is this song? Just
Final blow.
Time to final blow.
Oh shit! Acid! I'm stuck.
Run.
I'm dead.
Oh god, it's red.
I died.
No.
Frankie, you still alive? Keep running.
No, oh no, this is bad.
You're gonna die.
No.
No! Yes! No! No, you're dead. Sorry. Shut the fuck up!
Stop, really. I'm gonna punch you for real. You know what? I'm gonna turn on the music.
Mine's already at full volume, you idiot.
I kinda like it.
I told you.
Are you playing, Frankie?
Oh crap.
Spectate me.
You're still alive. Oh my god. I need some money for real.
Let's go. You spectating me?
Yep, totally.
Okay.
See?
Wait, I got it.
Oh, you fell.
Oh shit.
I think I know what Sam's favorite song is.
Run. I survived.
This girl is AFK.
What the?
I think I know what Sam's favorite song
Whoa! We almost died.
is. Wait, no, this is a commercial.
We almost died. Look.
Really? Run!
Where? I don't know.
This way.
Oh yeah.
No, freaking lag. Wait for the ladder. Come on, ladder. the ladder, I was like, bro, how am I still alive? Ow!
I'm stuck.
I got knocked.
I got knocked. I can't move.
I'm alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive.
Get to the vents. Get to the vents. Get to the vents. Oh, I fell. Oh, shit.
Yes, hurry. No!
I'm still. I'm in.
Yes! Yes! Stop yelling. You're gonna rip my eardrums.
I know. What? Help me. Oh my god. What is this? Quickly, come on, Frankie. We have to run.
Is this hell?
Oh, what the hell? What is this? This is hard. Yes, I'm alive. I'm alive.
No! Help me, Sam!
I'm sorry, Frankie. I have to leave you.
I'm done.
Oh,
You
we're
wanna
done.
build a wall? I'm dead. I will kill you later.
I died.
Yes,
I died.
thank you.
That's so hard. Alright.
Oh, I got a mix.
We're in this video here. Shut up, guys. Shush. Guys, we're in this video here. Hope you enjoy it. I'll make an episode 2 of it.